The Chennai Metro Rail has resumed after 5 months. We come to you from the Nandanam Metro Rail Station in Chennai, and joining us now the MD of Chennai Metro Rail, Mr. Pradeep Yadav. So thank you very much for your time. Great to see the Metro Rail resuming its operations.
Yes. Yeah, we are resuming after 5 months, more than 5 months, and safety of passengers is our priority.
Any particular specific changes you have made to make sure the metro rides will be safe, sir?
The first concern which was brought to our notice was the air, the quality of air. What we have done is that we are following certain guidelines prescribed by ISHRAE and CPWD. More than that, we have also put additional filters, in the air conditioning unit, and we assure public that the quality of air inside stations and the coaches will be of very, very good quality, and they need not worry about travel in metros.
In terms of the seating arrangements inside the coaches, what changes you have made to ensure social distancing?
We have put stickers to maintain social distance, and the carrying capacity of the coach has been reduced substantially. And though we are starting with 5 minutes headway now, we will review once we see the response from passengers. But we will definitely maintain social distancing within the coaches at the platform concourse. We have CCTV cameras which will also keep a watch on social distancing. And what we have made mandatory is that without mask, the passenger shall not travel. We have kept sanitizer dispensers at many places so that they can use sanitizers for hands cleaning and all. All the trains are being disinfected. After every trip, the trains are completely sanitized. These are certain measures, and all the places which are frequented or frequently used are being cleaned every hour.
Right. And 1 lakh passengers used to take the metro rail in Chennai earlier before the lockdown. What's the kind of response you see now, and any changes in terms of ticketing, in terms of the waiting system outside the counters at the metro stations?
Yeah. We don't know the response because we are starting after a gap, but what we have done on ticketing part is that we will encourage use of smart cards where they don't have to get in contact with the ticket counter person. The other thing which we have done is that the use of QR code. Right. It's called mobile ticketing. So they just have to download app and buy a ticket online. This is a QR coded ticket which they can actually scan at one designated gate. Right. Not all the gates are QR enabled, but one gate we have made QR enabled. There they can scan and travel. So they don't have to get. It's a kind of complete contactless travel which we have introduced now. Even for recharge of their smart cards, they can do payment online, and we have put travel card readers. Right. This is another instrument which we have kept at many places where they can just tap their card and it will be topped up. Right. So we have taken all measures to reduce contact with the persons at the counter, and even the cashless kind of journey where we don't end up exchanging cash. Right. And physically.
And the frequency, is it the same, or have you reduced it as you resume after a long time?
No, in fact it has been increased now because we'll see the response how passengers come, and now it is 5 minutes in peak hours and 10 minutes in non-peak hours. We'll see the response how passengers come, and we will further reduce if the passengers.
Any concessions possible to attract passengers?
Concessions we haven't thought of. We are starting after 5 months, and right. We have lost a lot of revenue, right. Fare and non-fare. So we'll see.
Give us a sense of the kind of loss of revenue for Chennai Metro over the last 5 months.
I think we have lost almost 6 months, and the next 6 months also we don't know.
What's the revenue every month?
Revenues from the tickets is around 12 crores. It used to be before COVID, but now we don't know. We'll see. Our first priority is to get back passengers and safety. They should have a safe travel.
Your message for Chennaites?
Chennai Metro is very safe to travel. They can use Chennai Metro for commuting.
Right. Thank you so much sir, for your time. That was Mr. Pradeep Yadav, the MD of Chennai Metro, talking to us in Chennai with camera person Edwin. Sam Daniel, Find It TV.